Welcome to this guided breathing meditation designed to help you release stress and bring calm into your mind and body. In this practice, we will focus on the breath, a simple yet powerful tool to ease tension and restore peace. Find a quiet space, sit comfortably, or lie down, and let's begin. Take a moment to settle into your body. Allow yourself to relax and release any tension you might be holding. Gently close your eyes and let your body become heavy as it sinks into the surface beneath you. For the next few minutes, this time is for you. There's nowhere else you need to be and nothing else you need to do. Simply be present. Now, bring your attention to your breath. Notice the natural rhythm of your breathing, how the air enters through your nose, fills your lungs, and then gently flows out. There's no need to change anything, just observe. Feel the coolness of the inhale and the warmth of the exhale. Notice the subtle rise and fall of your chest or belly as you breathe. Let's begin to deepen the breath. Take a slow, deep inhale through your nose, filling your lungs completely. Hold the breath for a brief moment, and now, slowly exhale through your mouth, releasing any tension with the breath. Again, inhale deeply through your nose, hold, and exhale slowly, letting go of any stress or worry. Continue this pattern of slow, deep breathing. With each inhale, feel your body expand and fill with calm. And with each exhale, feel your body soften, releasing any tension. Breathe in calm, breathe out stress. As you continue to breathe deeply, bring your awareness to different parts of your body. Start with your head. Notice if there is any tension in your forehead or jaw, and with the next exhale, release it. Move down to your shoulders. If you feel tightness there, breathe into that space. And as you exhale, let your shoulders relax and drop. Continue moving down your body, relaxing your arms, hands, chest, and back. Let your belly soften as you breathe. Notice your legs and feet and let them grow heavy as they fully relax. With each breath, allow your body to let go of any remaining tension, leaving you in a state of calm and ease. Now focus solely on the breath. Let it be your anchor. As you inhale, imagine breathing in calm, soothing energy. As you exhale, visualize any stress or tension leaving your body, like a dark cloud dissolving into the air. With each breath, feel yourself becoming lighter, more relaxed, more at peace. Continue this gentle focus on the breath. If any thoughts or worries arise, simply notice them. Then gently bring your attention back to the breath. Remember, there is no need to hold on to anything right now. Just let it go with each exhale. As you breathe, begin to notice how your body feels now. Perhaps you feel more relaxed, more at ease. Your mind may be quieter, more centered. This sense of calm and balance is always within you, and you can return to it at any time by simply focusing on your breath. Know that in moments of stress or anxiety, the breath is your most powerful tool. It grounds you in the present and brings you back to a place of calm. Every inhale invites peace, and every exhale lets go of tension. In a few moments, we will begin to bring this meditation to a close. But before we do, take a few more deep breaths. Breathe in peace and calm, and exhale any lingering tension or stress. When you're ready, gently start to wiggle your fingers and toes, bringing small movements back into your body. Slowly open your eyes and take in the space around you. Notice how you feel now compared to when you first began this practice. Take a moment to thank yourself for taking this time to care for your mind and body. Know that you can return to this breathing meditation whenever you need to release stress or restore your inner calm. Thank you for joining me in this practice today. If this meditation brought you peace, feel free to share your experience in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more guided meditations. I look forward to meditating with you again soon.